I'm the Ketoing Viking, and this morning I'm going to make Norwegian waffles, so stay tuned. Today we are going to start with an empty bowl, of course, and then we are going to add some sour cream, to that we are going to add 4 eggs, fresh eggs. I had to battle a chicken this morning for these eggs. Oh dear, I got a shell in here. Oh boy, now it's the battle of the shell. Got it. Okay. Butter melted. Heavy cream. Get to every last drop. Little bit of vanilla extract. And we are going to mix this. And blend well. Coconut flour. Almond flour. We are going to stir this. And while we're going to stir this, because you are talented and I am talented, we're going to add our sweetener. And give that a good stir. And then our 2 final ingredients, cardamom, and we are going to add baking powder. And I have a beautiful Norwegian waffle mold from the land of Amazonia. I didn't even have to pillage and plunder for this one. So before we ladle our waffle mix into our mold, we need to spray it or put some oil into it. So let me do that right here. A little bit of spray. That should do. There we go. Then we are going to ladle it. Just like so. Aha! You don't want to overfill this though. Kind of tap it down. Okay, now that I have that fully filled, I could put that in the oven. I think they're burning! Oh, no. 22 minutes was perfect. Thank goodness. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's hot. Let's see what happened. They're gonna stuck. Okay, don't fail me now. Ow. Ow, that's hot. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, they got a little burnt. Oh no! They did get a little burnt. And that is boiling hot. Okay, we're gonna let the rest of them cool down just a bit. We're gonna try this one. typically pour a little bit of jam or lingonberry syrup on it. Real salt. Needs lingonberry syrup. Lingonberry! It is actually only 7 sugars per tablespoon, but we're gonna do a quarter of a tablespoon. Quarter of a tablespoon. Or just a little spriggle. And then see what we got. See what we got here. Okay. Much better. Much better. Lingonberry jam, Norwegian waffles, keto style, on the Ketoing Viking. Oh! I forgot my drink. Skål! Lycka till.